Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Goldie's World. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Goldie's World. For today's video guys, ay magluluto tayo ng fried chicken wings. At ayan guys, ito ang ating chicken wings. Nahugasan ko na at na-drain. At before natin ipiprito guys ang ating chicken wings, ay meron tayong garlic at saka lemon para i-marinate sa ating chicken. At meron din tayong salt and pepper. At ayan guys, haluin lang natin ang ating salt and pepper. Ayan. Kailangan muna nating paghalo-haluin. Next ay yung ating garlic. Ayan guys. And then, at saka natin isi-squeeze yung ating lemon. Ayan. Squeeze lang natin. At hayaan lang natin guys na mag-absorb ang ating mga ingredients sa ating pag-marinate. At ayan. Hayaan muna nating ma-marinate yan guys. Tsaka natin piprituhin. At ayan guys, after nating ma-marinate ang ating chicken, ay ready na natin ang ating breading mix. At ayan guys, magdadagdag ako ng egg. Okay. Ayan. At ang ating breading mix. I-mix together lang natin guys. At saka na natin i-mix yung ating minarinate na chicken guys. Ayan. Kailangan coated na coated. Ayan. At ayan na guys, ready to fry na. At ayan, at nagpainit na ako ng oil guys para sa pag-fry ng ating chicken. Ayan.